Good evening, everyone. Isn't it an exciting day that a Jamaican young man that is gifted and handsome came up with the idea of having an expo centered solely around the building industry? Madam Master of Ceremony, Miss Marlene Stevenson Daly. His Worship the Mayor, Councillor Homer Davis, Mayor of St. James. Our guest speaker, Honorable Dr. Horace Chang, Member of Parliament for St. James Northwestern and Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation with responsibility for water, works, and housing. Dr. David McLegan, representing Family Church on the Rock. Ms. Ditty Guys, General Manager, Montego Bay Convention Center. Ms. Isia Madden, Managing Director and Principal Architect, Design HQ. Ms. Gloria Henry, President of the Montego Bay Chamber of Commerce. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I move on to our honored sponsors. Mr. Joseph Bognovich, Director, Hardware and Lumber Limited. The Jamaica Observer, Jamaica Public Services Company, Montego Bay Convention Center, Billy Craig Insurance, Knutsford Express, Business Access Television, Deja Resort, Pier 1 on the waterfront, Cover Me Up Tents, Elliptic Digital, Bureau of Standards, Fraser, Fontaine and Kong Insurance Brokers Limited. The members and councillors of the St. James Municipal Corporation, members of the media, members from the university and colleges, my dedicated, hardworking team at Build Expo. I extend to you all warm greetings. Today, we at Build Expo Jamaica Limited have signaled a new revolution in Jamaica and the Caribbean, the first of its kind in Jamaica, a Builders Expo and conference under one roof scheduled for July 9th to the 11th at the Montego Bay Convention Center. Jamaica has been faced with many challenges. One of the most significant of those challenges is the lack of economical alternatives to building. Most people want to own a home. For those who have a home, it's their dream to improve it. So, in light of challenges from homeowners and builders, Build Expo Jamaica Limited has come to the rescue to expose the Jamaican builder, contractor, homeowner, and developer to explore new and economical alternatives to building. Build Expo will have a series of engaging exhibitors, seminars and workshops, representatives of the building industries. Some of our world-class speakers are Joy Beckerman, lead instructor, Hemp Technologies. Joy Beckerman has involved herself for over a quarter of a century, and her extraordinary passion for this unique, valuable innovation is contagious. Hemp Technologies is the leading provider of hempcrete buildings, building materials, and so on. Hemp and lime-based binder provides the healthiest possible construction for safe, high-quality indoor environment. It's mold resistant and fire resistant, amongst other things. Another one of our speakers are Andrew Morrison, co-founder at Tiny House Enterprises. Andrew Morrison is a leading expert in the field of tiny house construction, education, and advocacy. He has given TEDx talks, presentations on the topic, and has been keynote speakers at numerous tiny house events, expos, and so on. Tiny houses have exploded in popularity in the US and Canada and are gaining significant traction all over the world. And Minister, I'd just like to pause at this moment to say how excited I am, especially to have tiny homes here, because I think it will be a great thing for Jamaica when the informal settlers who are used to being housed in board houses and zinc fences can be educated on proper management of space. because there are other places in the world where there are low income earners who live in better homes. And the team from Tiny Homes will be coming here to educate the Jamaican people on how to manage their space. Jamaican people don't understand shelving and a number of other things that can capitalize on smaller spaces in a better way. So I'm very, very excited to have them here. Another one of our speakers is Dr. Barack Koshnevis, professor of the University of Southern California. Dr. Barack Koshnevis is a National Academy of Inventors Fellow and Dean's Professor of Industrial Systems, Aerospace and Mechanical, Astronautic, Biomedical, and Civil Environmental Engineering, and is the Director of the Center for Rapid Automotive Fabrication Technologies, CRAFT. CRAFT Engineering has developed the automated on-site construction of whole structures, otherwise known as 3D fabrication. Now, for those of you who are not so clear on the 3D fabrication, if you understand the concept of 3D printing, where you use the 3D print to create things, well, Barack is now doing it in housing. And he has professed, Minister, I want you to hear on this, Barack has professed that when he's finished, the only other housing system that is cheaper than what he produces is emergency sheltering. So I hope to introduce you to him once he gets here, Minister. And I think at this time it would be good of me to just share with you that Build Expo, in being as interactive as we want to be, are launching an Adobe Building Block Challenge. We're inviting all institutions, universities, colleges, high schools, companies in the build industry to build an Adobe block to certain specifications. Of course, the Bureau of Standards has partnered with us and has agreed to do the formulating of the competition and judge to find the winner at the Expo. Of course, more details on this can be found on our website, www.buildexpojamaica.com. Build Expo intends to ensure that exhibitors and all attendees of this Expo leave our Expo with a better understanding of new and novel ways of building and experience the most exciting display of the exhibition from a wide array of exhibitors. Ladies and gentlemen, join us. Join the Build Expo team in building the future today. Thank you.